morning, students. Hope all have done test. Now it's time for solution of test. You will match your answers and which question is wrong you will do practice again. Clear? Let us start. Question number 1. 7,000 plus what we add so that we can get answer 7,123. When we are given word addend and sum, second addend we find sum minus one addend which is given, then we will find second addend. The number which we add are called addend and the answer of addition is called sum. 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, 7 minus 7 is 0. So our answer is 123 and the options are given 1,123, B option 123 and C option is 127. Our answer 123 which matches to option B. So our answer is option B. Let's take question number 2. First number not given, you have to find. Second number is given 4,444 and the answer is given 99,999. Same process we will follow as we have followed in question 1. Sum we will write, means from answer we will subtract the number which is given to us. If the symbol is addition, then we will do subtraction. 4,444. Now we will subtract. From starting ones place, 9 minus 4, 5. Again 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. Again 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 remains same. So our answer is 95,555. Now we will see our options given. First option is 5,555. B option 55,555 and C option is 95,555 and answer matches to C option. So right answer is C option 95,555. Now question number 3. Two numbers are given to add. 8,453 plus 3,452. When the addition is not simple, then you will arrange the numbers and then you will find your answers. Then you will match options to your answer. Two numbers you will arrange and then you will add. Starting from ones place, 3 plus 5, 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. One carry will go in next place. Now 4 plus 4 plus 1 carry, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. Our answer we got. Now we will see which option matches to our answer. First option is 11,905 which is matching to our answer. B option and C option. Option A matches to our answer. So answer is option A, 11,905. You write here, you can write answer here also, you can take answer also, you can write answer here also. It is your choice. Let's take question number 4. What will be the sum of the smallest four-digit number and 999? First, we will write smallest four-digit number, smallest four-digit number, which is 1000, and we have to add 999 to it. Now we will find answer by adding, that is 1999, and the options are given 1999, which matches to our answer. So in starting, if we get, then answer is 1999. Other options are given, you can see 1099, and C option is 1009. So our answer matches to A option. So option A is right answer. Let's take question number 5. What will be the estimated value of 49,562 to the nearest 10,000? First, we will write the number 49,562, as we are giving to round off to the nearest 10,000. So 10,000 place digit we will circle. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 place digit. That is 4. Now put arrow to the right digit. Right to circle digit is 9. Compare with 5, as 9 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the circle digit. That will be 5. 4 plus 1 will be 5, and other digits will turn to 0. So 49,562 will be rounded to 50,000 to the nearest 10,000. Now we will see our options. Which options are given? And C option is 49,000. First option 5,000, second option B 50,000, and C option 49,000. Our answer is 50,000. So B option is right. 50,000. You will write answer separately when you solve in your notebook. Now let's take question number 6. question number 6 is 7,58,345. Add 1,000 to it. As I told you, when we add 1,000, then only 1,000 place digit will increased by 1. So what will be the answer? 75, 3 digits, 2 digits here, and after 1,000 place 3 digits, they will remain same. 75, 8 plus 1, 9. As we are adding 1,000, so only 1,000 place will increased by 1. Means 1,000 place digit we will add 1. Other 3 digits will remain same, which are at 100 place, 1,000, 100 place, tens place and ones place. So our answer is 7,59,345. Now we will match our answer to the options. Which options? And the options are 7,59,354, 7,58,345, and our answer matches to B option. So answer is, you can leave C option, which is not matching to our answer. No, C option. Again we will match, because here is 8, so B option is not right. C option matches to our answer, so option C is right. Now question number 7. 259 plus 145. First, you arrange the numbers when the addition is not easy and find the answer. 9 plus 5, 4, 14. 4 downside you will write, 1 will go carry. And these 3 numbers when we add, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 will go carry in next place. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So our answer is 404. Now which option it is matching? Option A, 404, and other options are 304 and C option is 414. So option A is right. Now question number 8. And the question number 8 is easy. 9,990 plus 101. It is very much easy. 100 place, 100 place. Tens place, ones place. Here ones place. At both the places, in first number 0 are there. In both the places 1 are here. So you can add horizontally, as 1,000 place is not given. 9 as it is. Now in first number 100 place digit is 0 and here 100 place digit is 1. So you will add 100 in 100. 0 plus 1, 1. You can write here places. Then you can write. Now tens place digit, 9 plus 0, 9, and ones place digit you will add 0 plus 1 is 1. So right option is, first we see options. First option 9,091, second option 9,191, and third option is 9,091. Our answer matches to B option. So right answer is B option, 9,191. Now question number 9. 100 more than 12,415 will be. If more than is given, it means we have to add both the numbers. So you will add both the numbers. As we are adding 100, so only 100 place digit will increased by 1. Other place digit will remain same. 4 plus 1 is 5. Last two digit at tens and ones place, they will remain same. So our right answer, first we will see the options. Option A is 12,515, which matches to our answer, and option B, which does not match. Option C also does not match. So right option is A. 12,515. Now question number 10. A number was added to 7,893 and the sum obtained was 7,893. What was added to 7,893? First we will understand. A number was added to 7,893. One number will be added, and the sum obtained by after addition 7,893. What was added to 7,893? Now you will see both number are same. So answer, if we get same, then what we add? 0. So our answer is 0, which matches to option A. Hope you understand all the questions. If you have done any question wrong, you will do practice of that question. You will award marks yourself. Then you will send to me marks only with your name, section and class. Okay, that's for the day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.